Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we will explain about the degree of comparison. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ridwan Nur Hakim, and my friends.
My name is Fadi Rifki Pratama.
Comparison degree. Comparison degree is a term in English grammar to show comparison. In a comparison degree, an adjective or an adverb will change its form according to the level of comparison. Therefore, the comparison degree can also be referred to as the comparison degree. Comparative degree. In the comparative degree, one of the two things being compared has more properties than the other. Change shape and add to the suffix "er" behind it or more in the front of it. Superlative degree. In the superlative degree, the things being discussed has the most trait among other. Change shape and add the suffix "s" behind it or most in front of it. Example: comparative degree. Bali is bigger than Lombok. Bali is more beautiful than Lombok. Superlative degree. Bali is the prettiest place in Indonesia. Bali is the most excited visited tourist in Indonesia. Comparative Bali and Lombok.
Time for vacation. Bali has more tourist facilities that can be reached and visited in a relatively short time because apart from being closer to tourist attraction, access is also easier. So if you have relatively short time and want to visit many tourist attractions at once, Bali can be the right choice compared to Lombok. Facility. The tourist facilities offered by the two tourist islands are almost the same, but because Lombok has not developed like Bali, Lombok does not have as many lodging facilities as luxury hotels in Bali. In addition, Bali also provides beautiful villas complete with various facilities such as in the Ubud and Seminyak areas. So, for tourist facilities in Bali, it's more better than Lombok. Travel expense. The cost of traveling to and while in Lombok is still relatively higher than the cost of tourism in Bali. For example, for the price of lodging, if in Bali you can stay with 200,000 rupiah in an inn, in Lombok you have to spend around 700,000 rupiah for rooms with the same facilities. So the price of lodging in Lombok is most expensive than Bali. Access to tourist area. In terms of access to tourist areas, Bali is more better because almost all tourist areas can be reached either by four-wheel vehicle, two-wheel vehicle, or public transportation, and of course at a more affordable cost manual in Lombok. Access to tourist areas is still not very developed and travel costs are relatively more expensive. However, in Lombok you can try to ride a horse carriage or horse cart when you go to tourist attraction. Culinary. Bali is famous for serving Balinese rice, betutu chicken, satay lilit, and other mouth-watering dishes, while Lombok has spicy chicken taliwang dish. In addition, in terms of halal food, finding halal dishes in Lombok is easier than in Bali because the majority of the population is Muslim, while in Bali, where the majority of the population is Hindu, it will be a little difficult to find halal food. Visitor. In comparison, the number of tourists who come to Bali every year reaches 1,500 visitors. This means that Bali has more visitors compared to Lombok, which is only visited by around 3,000 tourists every year. If you like a quiet, natural atmosphere and don't like crowds, come to Lombok.
Thanks for watching. Hope our video can be useful for all of you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.